Hey guys, welcome. It's the girl Juliana from the Reed Family TV, and today I'll be doing a cooking vlog. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So this is what I'm gonna be looking at now. I'm gonna get them scaled and cleaned up properly. Yes guys, these are fish tail. I love them. I love them. These are the only type of fish that I like. I like the fish tail because I don't eat the head part of fish or anything like that. So I rather these ones. So I'm gonna prepare for dinner and to take to work with me tomorrow morning. So I put the fish in the flour and the batter. This already seasoned, so I'm just gonna go and get the oil hot. This is something that you must do when you come to Jamaica. Cook under the fire. You love cook on wood fire. I enjoy it. So look at that. Guys, they'll know how to cook on wood fire. Let my fish fry. So I take these ones off. I'm gonna put in the next one. So these are the next sets that I put in. Yep. I'm a YouTube channel, man, make videos. So. Here we go. These are them, and I'm gonna put in the next set of fish now. So I just put in the next set, so I'm just allowing them to fry properly. So I did fried dumpling with fried fish. So I have the rest in the pot on the fire.